Hello and welcome to my channel Arya Krakow and Poland Experience. We are in the corner of ulica Grodecka and ulica Wszystkich Świętych in the entrance of the Rynek or the main square, and over here they have put in, like a few weeks ago, this kind of attraction, which is the smog or the dragon, and we'll see if it will, yes it will, start acting. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified whenever I'm uploading newer videos, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Today is Sunday, the 9th of November 2025. I will wrap up this short video. Hope you have a pleasant Sunday. Goodbye.